Hello world and welcome to the Mecca of Mastery TV. I am your host Mecca. If it is your mission to become the greatest version of yourself in every area of life, then you, my soul friend, are in the right place. I'm so excited about this episode, baby, as I say in every episode, because I'm definitely am. In this video, we will be talking about spiritual and personal development, and the topic of this video is how to make better choices. Let's get straight into the video. How to make better choices, right? You want to make better decisions in your life. You are in a space in your life maybe where the results is not it. You like, honey, this is not what I want for my life. And you know the reason why you got those results are because of the choices that you've made in the past. Or you might find yourself in a space in your life where you keep making choices that's truly not in alignment with who you are, what you want and your desires, so you can actually move forward, and it's actually kicking you in your ass and you like, what do I need to do about this? So that's what we're going to be talking about today. But hold on. If you are not a family member here at Mecca Mastery TV, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update, because I am dropping weekly soul food every single Monday. Weekly food for your soul, honey, so you don't want to miss that. All right? Now, first of all, if you see any movement, look, I have a cat. This is Faith. Faith is always coming around when it's filming time because she loves the vibes, okay? But yeah, so if you see going behind me, just say, hey, Faith, when you see her. Hey, Faith. Now, you want to make better choices and decisions in your life, right? Because you know it's tied to your results. How do you do that, right? How do you start to make better choices? You've been having the intention to make better choices for a long time now. And the intention alone is not it, right? You've been doing all of these processes, all of these affirmations. You'll make all these plans externally, like, look, I got a plan, I'm going to do X, Y, Z. You got a better, you have a plan to make a better choice for your body, for example, like, okay, I'm going to eat a salad this evening with my meal. Okay, I'm going to drink a gallon of water. Okay, I'm going to start, walking 15 minutes every single morning. But you look up, baby, 3 weeks later, 3 years later, 3 decades later, and you have not made that choice, right? That better choice, and the results are showing, right? First of all, let me tell you this. Where do action come from? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Where do your action actually come from? Your action comes from your thoughts and your belief system. So your thoughts create your belief systems. Your belief systems create your actions, and your actions your results. So when you want to make better choices, the first thing you have to tackle is the thought. Your thought and your spirit is literally like they go together. They go together, right? They riding off of each other. And when they're not on the same frequency, of course, what you want is going to be off, right? The frequency is going to be off. It's just going to be like when you're trying to tune your radio dial to a certain station and all you're getting is because the frequency is off. So it's the same way when your spirit, your soul, right? When your spirit is off from your thoughts. So you're thinking one thing, but in your spirit it's another thing. And so the frequency is off. And so what you want to do is get everything in alignment with the same frequency. You want to get in tune. And to start there is by your thoughts, right? So right? The way, which is affirmations. And most people, they give up in this phase because they affirm, and they're not really feeling and seeing things yet. But it takes the consistency and the momentum in order for an old thought to leave your mind, your subconscious mind, and a new thought to actually be planted in, right? You cannot give up on the first day. The first day that you try to eat the salad, and the first day you say you're going to do this for your body, the first day for your relationship, and it does not work, you affirm and then you make a bad choice, you can't give up. So that's the first thing I need you to know, that while you are trying to change your thoughts and change your mindset by affirming, okay, and visualizing, you cannot give up. It has to have some type of consistency. You got to keep watering the plant until you see the green come up, right? It's just like a plant. It's just like a plant. Your mind your life, your spirit. Everything is, you're a plant. We are plants. And you know, when you plant a seed in the soil, you have to continue to water the seed so the roots can form into the soil. Once the roots and the foundation of it is forming, that's when you start to see the green. That's when you start to bear fruit from the tree, right? So it's the same thing when you are trying to get better results in your life, and you know it's starting with your thoughts. So you might not believe in the beginning. You might not believe in the beginning that, you know, I'm healthy and I can do this, or, you know, I'm faithful, I'm loyal. You might not really believe it because you still got the energy that's in your subconscious mind that you've practiced for over a long time, and that has become literally like, we're parking our car right here, okay? It's become stationed in your subconscious mind. It's the same thing when you're trying to bring in a new thought and a new way of being, so that can then bring on a new belief system, and then that will bring on new behavior. And that's how you make better choices, because it's all internally. So first of all, your affirmations. I highly recommend that you do affirmations for 21 to 90 days, okay? When you do anything for 21 to 90 days, that's when the seed is really planted in the let me see, the seed is really planted and the roots start to form. 21 days is a habit and consistency. That's what 21 days is. 90 days means that the roots are starting to grow. Anything beyond 90 days is when the tree and the thing itself is starting to produce. It's starting to sprout. That's when the fruit is starting to bear from the tree, things like that. So you have to stick with it. And I'm not saying that it's going to take you 90 days. It's going to take you as long as your intentions, right? How intentional you are, or how not intentional you are, that's how long it's going to take you, right? If you're not really intentional and you're not serious about making this better choice, if you're not just going with the flow and being compassionate with yourself, having kindness in your heart for yourself while you are trying to transition and staying up on top of your watering of this desire, even when you can't see anything popping up out of the soil of your mind, okay? You got to be consistent with the watering, consistent with the affirmations, consistent with trying to do better, even when you don't feel it, even when your emotions is trying to override you, because in the back of your subconscious mind, you still have your old programming on at play. So while you are trying to put a new program in place and the old program is fading out, you have to have enough compassion, you have to have enough discipline, you have to have willpower, and you have to have momentum, consistency. All of that ingredients needs to be worked in as you are bringing all of this in, and then the better choices will automatically flow. That's what I want y'all to know, right? It's not about you trying to force good choices in. No, you don't want to force it. You want to go in and remove at foundation what is causing you to make the choices that you don't want to make anymore. What is at the root level? At the root, where is it off? Because everything foundationally, ooh, I'm getting excited. Everything that happens and that is going on in your life is coming from the root of who you are, from who you are at core in your foundation. And so when you think about the thoughts that is planted in your mind, the seeds, right? What are those thought seeds that's planted in your mind that is actually controlling your belief systems, your behaviors, and your actions that is turning into your results? That's what you change. You change your thoughts. But it's a process to changing the thoughts, and you cannot give up on this process. You got to continue to affirm. If you want more money, if the results that I'm trying to make better choices with money, and you feel like you have a negative relationship when it comes to money, apparently because the money is not flowing, apparently because you can't save it, apparently because you don't know how to, create something to make the residual income, right? You have to start to affirm, I am a millionaire. I have a good relationship with money. Money flows to me easily, abundantly. I love making money. I love spending money. I love paying my bills on time, right? When you start to do that, even when it's not a reality in your life right now, your brain is going to start keep taking it in, taking it in, taking it in, taking it in, taking it in. That's the nurturing energy, taking it in, taking it in. And it's going to actually start to override what is in your subconscious mind. And when that starts to be parked in the subconscious mind, the results that's in alignment with that is going to be at play in a reality in your life. It's going to be a reality. It can't not be. It's law. It's law, right? And so I highly recommend I have a 21-day healing plan that will help you with this. If you want to grab that, the link is in the bio. And the 21-day healing plan, it teaches you I'm getting excited. In the 21-day healing plan, it teaches you consistency, okay? Not only do you have journal prompts, but it's guided meditation and other exercises. All you do is block out 45 minutes to an hour. It's affirmations and everything within this 21-day healing plan. This is helping you reshape your mindset, reshape your brain, your thoughts, because that is controlling everything, even your spirit and your soul. Yes, we are energy beings having a human experience, but you are in control. Even though life is the dance and we are the dancers, spirit, universe, God, whatever you want to call it, gave us the free will. So it's up to you to make sure that whatever you are doing externally is in alignment with your soul desires and your missions. Your soul is not going to come out and do the work for you and do everything for you and try to make you get in alignment. You got to do that. You got to be wise enough to say, are these thoughts is in alignment with these desires that I have? Are these beliefs in alignment with the desires that I hold in my soul, right? Is this action, right? This action, these actions, are they in alignment with this desire that I have within my soul? Are these people, this environment, this relationship, okay, this business, all of it, all of it. So if you want to talk to me, if you want to dive a little deeper, like personally one-on-one, you can just click the link in the bio, pick my brain session, okay, in the description box below, or you can email me at meccabookings@gmail.com if you have any questions, if you have a topic you want me to speak on and things like that. And also make sure you check out my website at meccafreeman.com so you can just check out the wide range of soul food that I have for you, baby. We got meditation programs, we got manifestation ritual guides, we got fitness guides, we got nutrition, all type of stuff, things that is good for your soul, that help you get in alignment with who you really are and work on every area of your life so you can just be this God and this goddess that you are, living life fully. All right. And with that being said, I hope you love this video and you share this with a soul that you truly love and care about. And we always say here at Mecca Mastery TV that sharing is caring, right? And you, my friend, you go out into the world, you kick a whole lot of action, and you don't let nobody, no soul on this planet, baby, tell you that you can't do anything, because you can do whatever you put your heart and your soul and your mind and your energy and your attention to. Alignment is the goal. I am sending my love, my light, peace, tranquility, good ass vibes and energy your way. Until next time, I see you in the next episode with peace and love. Peace.